It isn't doing it very well.
Don't make me laugh. I'm trying to keep a straight face here.
Do it. What? Hello, tiny pigeon. Not pigeon, seagull.
It's a chicken. Stop that. The slower you do it, the better the outcome. The faster you do it, the harder it is. Do you want the easy version or the hard version?
Easy.
Then do it slowly.
Yeah.
Move out of here for me, please.
First tap to find out, second tap to make sure what I found out on the first tap was correct.
Well, you can never tap enough.
I like little roads like this.
Me too.
I feel like you're getting hugged by the trees.
Beautiful. I'm gobsmacked.
That's so cute.
That's brilliant. Whoever did that, congratulations, well done. Stay in your fudging lane.
Yeah. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
It would. Now then, at the next roundabout, we're going to turn right, please.
Okay.
It's second exit right. There we go. There's the sign for it.
Yeah. Second exit right.
Prepare a little more because you can't see what's coming until the last second. Just as you're passing here.
Here.
That's it. Left mirror, left indicator to come off, yeah? You did do the indicator.
Didn't do it.
That's right. Why do we check our left mirror?
In case something appears like a cyclist or
That's
something.
it. There could be somebody there, yeah? Because you're going from one lane to the... You're going from the inside lane to the outside lane. And if there is a unicorn there, then we have to go all the way around the roundabout.
Or a pony.
Yes.
Like last time. Sorry.
Thank you.
I was scared of the bus.
I'm not scared of the wall. So what we're doing is a little bit sort of halfway between a mock test and a driving lesson, okay?
Yeah. I think that's what I need for now. Just like maybe like for another week or two.
So, follow the road ahead for me, please. If I need you to turn left or right, I'll give you plenty of warning.
Okay.
That was nice.
I've stopped looking finally.
Excellent, well done.
I just do my 2 taps now.
Yeah, that's good.
First tap to find out, second tap to make sure what I found out on the first tap was correct.
Well, you can never tap enough. You've heard the old saying, haven't you? More taps, the better. Now then.
What? He made eye contact with me.
Did he?
That was kind of weird.
Yes. He was telling you to check your mirror. So, at the end of this road, we're going to turn right, please.
Okay.
Be aware of that left curb, okay?
Yeah. Am I close to it?
A few times you have got a little bit
Okay.
close. Right then, what can you see? So we're going right at the end of the road, please.
Oh no, this one.
We're turning right. Oh yes, this one. Excuse me.
Are we going immediately left or
No,
just
we're
right?
just turning right.
Okay.
Excellent, well done. Now then, we'll go straight ahead of the roundabout, please.
Okay.
second exit. So if you look at the sign, it doesn't say anything. There's just a little blob. See it?
Yeah.
Just a little square thing. That's where we're going. Okay.
Okay.
When it doesn't say anything like that, what does it mean?
Oh, did it just stall?
You nearly did, yeah.
Well, does it mean dead end?
No, it just means. I'll tell you after this. It's basically a shortcut which only locals know about. Okay. That the best way to go to where this road takes us to is that way. Okay. That's why it hasn't said.
Okay.
You know, it hasn't said. You know, otherwise you'd have trucks and things and caravans and things coming down here.
Yeah,
which,
it's just more for like people who live down here.
Basically, yeah.
Okay. I like little roads like this.
Me too.
I feel like you're getting hugged by the trees. I like the painted.
That's new.
So cute.
Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. I've never seen anything like that before. That's a new one on me.
I love that.
That's beautiful. I'm gobsmacked.
That's so cute.
That's brilliant. Whoever did that, congratulations, well done. Yeah, nice. I doubt very much it was the council because it's not an official sharp bend sign.
No.
It's obviously
whoever owns the wall.
That's right, yeah.
Whoever
Well done.
I
like that.
Yeah, me too.
So this is the rural road section of your driving test. Not all driving tests do rural roads. I think they should.
Oh yeah, especially around here.
Yes. Because you never know what's around the next corner, yeah? Now then, what's the speed limit along here? Any idea?
Probably something crazy like 60.
That's correct. It's national speed limit applies. Okay? Now then, this should not be a 60 mile an hour speed limit, okay? Not unless you're Colin McRae and the road's been shut off. Now then, at the end of this road there's a junction. We're turning a right, please.
Not there. Okay.
No, that's a lay-by. You're not going anywhere. Now you can. Now then, we're going from a minor road to a major road, okay? Now then, in theory, these cars coming from the left and the right could be doing
like
up
50.
to 50, 60 miles an hour, okay? Wait.
Oh, yeah. I was just creeping.
Well done.
Where am I? There you go.
Up its ass for me. Well done. With that, thinned out. Pop your right one on. That's it, into second gear. Go into first, up to that white line, up to that white line. Get a little bit closer for me, up to that white line. That's it. And stop there, stop there. You should be right up against that white line, okay?
Yeah.
There's a G.I. Joe car there for you.
Yeah. I could have gone.
Good chance. Go on then, let's start moving. Otherwise we could be get off. Like your foot was still on the brake, okay?
Yeah, it was. Or
Take and stay here.
can we? I don't.
If you would have been closer up to that white line, it would have been easier, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Okay, after this one I'm going.
Yeah. So the moral of the story, that's it, off that brake. Little bit of gas for me. Hold it on the gas. Little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more. There we go. And away.
Finally.
Now then, your positioning when you have to come to a stop when you're waiting for oncoming traffic is not in the middle of the lane. It's not in the left. It's where? Right up to the centre, yeah?
Yeah.
As long as the cars coming towards you have got enough space, it's so much easier if you're up to the centre line, yeah?
Yeah.
Positioning is important as an indicator. So, follow the signs for Carnarvon for me, please. What's that over there?
What's what over there?
That big round thing on the
A
floor.
roundabout.
There we go. See the big skid mark?
Yeah, I do.
So if you're going too fast. Going to stay on this road now, okay, this new bypass here, all the way to Vellinhelly, because I want us to go through Vellinhelly. There should be, in theory, some opportunities in Vellinhelly meeting traffic like that, okay?
Yeah,
where we're waiting for oncoming cars.
It can be in either one of them.
So we'd only use the right one, really, if there was something slow in the left, eh?
Yeah. Oh.
Get into the correct gear for me.
Is
Stay in your lane.
lane.
Thank you.
I didn't remember
Up
if
into
I
second
should
gear, left
be.
mirror, left indicator. That's it, well done. Stay in your fudging lane.
Yeah. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
It would. What could possibly happen if you don't stay in your lane?
A crash.
Exactly. What can we do to help us remember to stay in our own lane?
I don't know. I do remember just kind of focusing on other things. I just
That's
drift.
it. You're looking at your exit, aren't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's human nature to want to do a straight line towards your exit. Yeah. It's called a roundabout, not a straight about. Okay. So let's go ahead on the straight about. I mean roundabout. 2 lanes on the approach. Very important. You stay in your lane.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now then, you've got a solid gold Ferrari on your right, okay? We're going straight ahead towards
Yes,
Bangor.
yeah.
Start dealing with it now.
It's not straight ahead though. It's like.
It is slightly off to the right, but as you can see by the arrows on the floor, you use either lane for going straight ahead, yeah? But we'd only use the right lane if there was something really slow on the left one. Look at that white line. Excellent, look at that. Tell everybody you're coming off.
I did it. Yes. Go on to the top of the hill, you can do it.
You can indeed, especially in second gear, screaming the bollocks off the engine.
Yeah.
Straight ahead, second exit. It says Vellinhelly past me and I see it.
So we're going. Yeah. Okay.
Look at where you're going. Look at that. That's it. Way too fast.
Yeah.
Get that speed down for me. Left lane. Into second gear. Bring in that clutch up. You can see it's nobody there. You've got plenty of time before the black car gets to you.
Stay in my
Stay
lane.
in your lane. That's it. And there we go. Stay in your lane. So just too fast on the
Yeah.
approach, okay?
Yeah.
Now then, we're going into Vellinhelly. Vellinhelly is a good place to practice meeting traffic and stopping in the correct position, okay?
Yeah.
If there's something coming, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me.
You just did one.
I did, yeah. It was only a little one.
Have you got hay fever?
No, it's the air conditioning keeping us down. It can affect my sinuses
Yeah,
sometimes.
makes,
And sometimes,
dry.
yeah, and sometimes my throat, sometimes my bloody eyes. there was something coming towards you and you had to stop, what position would you be in? Right up against that white line, yeah?
Yeah.
And about a car length and a half away from the parked car. Slow it down a little bit. Yeah, that car's sticking out, yeah? And the tow bar's sticking out.
Yeah. Skeptical.
You would have been better off reversing, you know?
Yeah.
Scan. Anybody behind you?
Not close.
What's that on that pole there?
20.
So why did you go through at 22?
I don't know.
And why are we still in third gear?
I don't know.
Nice and slow. Now then, there's a couple of cars parked in the bus stop, okay? It's going to make things difficult for us. Slow it down.
They've decided to stop using that bus stop because of cars being parked in it all the time. There's a notice on the buses.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that one any good? That garage?
I've never been there.
Oh, hello.
To be honest with you,
Oh.
I've only used one garage for doing mechanical stuff. No, I haven't. I had 2 different garages actually for doing mechanical stuff, okay? That's on my van, yeah? If I get something done to this, I take it to Toyota.
Yeah. Did you buy this new?
No, it was approved used.
Yeah. Okay.
So I always take it there for the servicing, and I had the clutch put in it last year as well.
Yeah.
And their prices are reasonable. Look at that, big. No closer than this. Now, if you come to a stop, pop that on, just so that he knows what's happening in front of us. Yeah. If you come to a stop, always put your right indicator on, just in case the car behind thinks that you've parked like a twat. Yeah. Nobody. Right there, examiner's watching you, examiner's looking at you. That's it, that's all he wants to see. Nice.
Did you meant mirrors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's Mr. TDS? Right there, you're still in third.
Okay.
All the way down, that's it, watching that left gear, nice and slow, take your time please.
Oh, didn't see them at all.
Holy
Not
shit,
bad.
what the hell was that all about?